Welcome student. So here you can see the diagram of the first generation of computers. What was the size of the computer, and they shown people working there with some mechanism. So the main features of first generation were vacuum tube. It was unreliable, supported machine language only. It was very costly. It generated lot of heat. It was a slow input output device. It was a huge size. It needed AC. It was not portable. It was not able to move. Consumed lot of electricity. And ENIAC, EDIVAC, and UNIVAC are some of the computer generations example. IBM 701, IBM 650, etc. Second generation. The period of second generation was from 1952 to 1964. This generation, using the transistor, were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable, and faster than the first generation machine made of vacuum tubes. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as primary memory and magnetic tape, magnetic disk as secondary storage devices. In this generation, assembly language and high level programming like Fortran, COBOL were used. There were batch processing and multi-programming operating system used. So in this second generation, the use of transistors became possible. So with the use of transistors, some size of the device was reduced and it consumed less power. The device became little compact in size. It became more reliable and faster than the first generation machine. And in the second generation, assembly language and high level programming language like Fortran, COBOL were used. So high level language we mean by a language that is generation that will be used by a simple user like us. So without knowing the various punch cards like the first generation punch card, we can give a instruction by writing certain command. So a command typing was possible. So in the first generation, that typing was not possible. In the second generation, the command typing was possible, and all the command that was typed was executed using a batch processing system in group. That processing was done in groups, and multi-programming operating system. Multi-programming means many other way of doing the punch card was accepted. There was not only one way of making the punches, but there are many ways of making the punch card to work. So and to do that, high level programming was used. Main features of the second generation language.